Hello, I'm Frans Koenen, an associate professor at the University of Twente. My general research interest is in the governance of the energy transition. When I started working in 1987, the Brundtland Report was just out. And the main thing that the Brundtland Report, of course, brought us was thinking about a new future for future generations. And now, more than 30 years later, these future generations are there. But this course is not about me. This course is about you. You in your role as citizens. You and the future of secure, sustainable and competitive energy. You are probably aware about the negative consequences of the energy transition, like the not in my backyard effects of windmills or solar parks. You might even be more aware about the negative impacts of energy on our climate. This course will address the role of citizens in the energy transition. The role of citizens has very different capabilities. The course will consist of a number of academic and guest lectures about practical experiences. We will draw from academic literature, and course participants in discussions and also in practical group assignments will discuss the future of energy and the role of citizens, you, in this future transition, on our way to a next future generation.